My name is Magnus Gustafsson. I'm head of Global BD at Biovian, and I will tell you about our viral vector services. Biovian was established 18 years ago. It's a privately owned company with a solid balance sheet. We are located in Turku, Finland, and it was founded by 5 co-founders. 4 are still active in the company management. We have experience from 400 clinical GMP batches. We have a very high education level. 50% of our employees are master or PhD students. And we have a very high retention rate, 96%, meaning that the competence stay in the company. We have worked with more than 100 clients. We are 100 employees. We are a pure fee-for-service kind of CDMO. We never add any IP or royalties to your processes. You're free to tech transfer in as you wish and out as you wish. We are inspected by the Finnish authorities, FIMEA, belonging to the EMA, and have been inspected by the US FDA a couple of times. When it comes to our viral vector services, we have been producing processes since 2004, and that has been done for 7 unique clients and 40 clinical GMP batches in more than 11 unique projects. Our longest still active client is a relationship of more than 10 years, and for that client we have produced 9 clinical batches in all phases up to phase 3 and even commercial validation batches. We have all critical analysis in place, and we hold a commercial manufacturing license for gene therapy products. And we bring you manufacturing happiness.